Hi, I'm Banpeiyu fruit, the giant citrus with a gentle heart. Every juicy slice of me is refreshing, sunny, and full of tropical fun that brightens your day and makes snack time happy. Hello, I'm beach cherry fruit, sunny, juicy, and coastal cool. I love growing by the shore, bringing fresh tropical flavor and making snack time feel like a fun day at the beach.
Hello, I'm baobab fruit, ancient, powerful, and full of life. I've been spreading goodness for generations, and every bite of me is nutritious, joyful, and a little tropical magic. Hello there, I'm bale apple fruit, strong on the outside and soothing on the inside. Every bite of me brings a sense of balance, tropical flavor, and a little happiness to your day.
Hi, I'm barberry fruit, small, bright, and full of zing. Every juicy bite of me pops with flavor, makes your day happier, and adds a cheerful little spark wherever I go.
Hi, I'm Atamoya fruit, soft, sweet, and dreamy. Every creamy bite of me is tropical, fun, and satisfying, turning snack time into a smooth, joyful, and flavorful experience.